Yeah.
Y'all good?
Do I look good?
You look
I
good.
look good? Okay.
Yeah.
I think the better question is, why did it take so long for someone to make a documentary about me?
The question is true. Why hasn't there been a documentary about him? Like a Provenzano art piece, Stewart's mind, a blank canvas that so many people know, but so little understand. To figure out his mind, we must first go back to where it all started.
I was born in 1995.
Okay.
I was actually born in 1996.
No way.
I'm a Libra. I'm a Sagittarius. It's the house I grew up in. First job was here. Worked reception at a high-rise financial. I learned a lot. I learned a lot about who I am, who I'm becoming, and who I want to be from high-rise financial.
From chain smoking at Chico State to selling sass where he had more sass than ever, and finally moving to his wet dream, New York. Philip, Sami, and Shahab created an environment for his artistic mind to frolic, where he can finally sit down and think about what's next. Art.
Being an art dealer is one of those professions where it discovers you. I think the better question is, how did art selling get into me? I think being an art dealer is one of those professions where it discovers you. Most significant lesson I've learned from failure: what not to do, why not to do it, and how to move forward. Life has got all those twists and turns, and you just have to hold on tight. It means you change. Blah, 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 blah.
The painting of life and how Stewart got there is without a doubt still in question. Indecision makes his brain hurt, but no decision, and his brain, miraculously, keeps going.
Why are you so indecisive?
Huh. Can't really, I don't know.
I don't know. I just don't know.
Stewart has made his way onto his own canvas, so he too can start painting. Although blank now, like his mind, he will one day decide on which brush to put to the paper and start his journey.
The journey doesn't end.
Bye.
Not flying spirit. That wasn't funny.